Teachers, teachers, teachers. We are all teachers. There is such a misconception when we're working with children that the teachers with credentials with the paper on the wall are the only teachers in the room or in the building.
That's wrong.
That's not true.
It's not. You're a teacher as a food service worker. You're a teacher as a librarian. You are a teacher as the custodian. You're a teacher as a secretary. You're a teacher as a bus driver.
You're a teacher.
Every single one of the positions in a school setting impacts students, teaches them something. Whether you're teaching behavior or maybe what not to do.
You know, they're always telling you what to do, what not to do.
Time to reflect, and don't ever put just in front of your title if you are anything other than a teacher.
You the teacher's aide?
I'm just a bus driver.
I don't say I'm just a teacher, I'm a teacher. My support staff as a special education teacher is my lifeline. And when they say to me, I'm just an aide, it boils my blood.
Gotcha. Blood's starting to boil.
Because without our aides and our support staff to teach our students alongside with us, we wouldn't be able to do our job. So teachers, we are all teachers. This applies to you, it applies to me, it applies to us. We all have to work together to let our students learn. Please let them learn and embrace that you're a teacher too.
It's hard in the classroom and we can use all the help we can get. Tag someone in this post who you could not do your job without and who has a great impact on students.